student of class 8 and I am here today with my group members to present our soil profile model. Our group consists of 5 others members. A soil profile is a vertical cross section of the soil layers showing the different horizons and their characteristics. Now I would like to tell you about our project. We have created a model of a soil profile which shows the different layer of a soil. A soil profile typically has several layers known as horizons. These layers have different physical, chemical and biological properties. After that, I hand over the next explanation.
In our model, we have represented the main horizons of soil profile. O horizon. This is a humus. Humus is a dark organic material that forms in soil when plants and animal matter decays. This is a tree, a tall, long-lived perennial plant with single thin woody stem trunk that support branches and leaves. This is a root. A root is a part of plant that is normally underground. This is a grass. Grass is a type of plant that is narrow leaves growing from the base. After that, I hand over the next explanation.
Horizon it is also the topsoil, mostly mineral from parent material with organic matter incorporated. A good material for plant and other organisms to live. After that, I hand over the next explanation.
Horizon B. This is a subsoil. Subsoil refers to the stratum of soil immediately below the surface soil or topsoil. After that, I hand over the next explanation.
Horizon C. This is a weather rock fragment. A weather rock fragment is known as sediment or clastic sediment clast. After that, I hand over the next explanation.
Horizon R. This is a bedrock. Bedrock is a very lowest part of the soil. It is the solid hard rock layer beneath the soil. Thank you.
I am a student of class 8 and its model made by our.
Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about the structure of lungs. So this is the structure of lungs composed of bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli and allowing for a massive surface area for a gas exchange. After that I hand over the next explanation about how to gas exchange in lungs. Good morning everyone. I explain how gas exchange in the lungs. This is a gas exchange. When we push a cylinder, then air passes through a pipe and air enters the lungs. So lungs expand outside. The main function is supplying oxygen to blood and removing carbon dioxide. After that, I hand over the next explanation, alveoli.
Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about alveoli. This is alveoli. Tiny air where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide leaves it. And I hand over the next explanation.
Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about trachea and bronchi. This is trachea, the main windpipe leading to the lungs, and this is bronchi, bronchial tube that distribute air throughout of lung tissue. After that, I hand over the next explanation, base and apex to.
Good morning every student of class 8. Today I will explain the first part of this rainwater harvesting model. Rainwater fall on the roof of the house and is collected tanks through pipe. Then the water goes to the filter plants where dust, leaf and mud are removed after filtration. The clean water is sent to the underground storage tank for later use. Now my friend will explain the remaining part of the model. Thank you.
Good morning, this is filter plant and this is used to clean rainwater before it is stored or sent underground. It removes the dust, mud, leaves and other impurities from the rainwater in the remaining part of the model. Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about recharge underground water. This is recharge underground water. In this model, recharge underground water means sending rainwater down into the ground to refill groundwater, like well, ponds, etc. Now my friend explain the remaining parts of the model. Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about the underground storage tank. The underground storage tank in this model is used to store filtered rainwater safely below the ground. It also helps prevent water wastage, keep water cool and clean and support water conservation. Now my friend will explain the remaining part of the model. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is well. In this model, the well is used to collect and store filtered rainwater. In this model, the well is used to collect and store filtered rainwater and recharge groundwater that passes through the filter and then enters the well.
Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about lake. This is lake. In this model, the lake is used to collect
planets, and this is sun, the ball of fire. It is very bright and hot. It always burns in the sky. Here are the planets in order from the sun. I will explain about Mercury. This is Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. It also the smallest planet. It have no atmosphere. I hand over to Aditya Yadav to explain about Venus and Mars. Venus and Earth.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aditya Yadav and I study in class 8. Today we'll be explaining about Venus and Earth. This is a Venus, the second planet from the sun, known for its thick toxic atmosphere and extreme heat. It is also known as morning star and evening star, and also known as twin star. This is a Earth, the third planet from the sun where we live. It has water and support life. After that I hand over to Aryan Yadav to explain about Mars and Jupiter.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aryan Yadav. Mars. This is Mars, the fourth planet from the sun. Now is the red planet because of its reduced due to iron oxide. This is Jupiter. The fifth planet from the sun. The fifth planet from the and the largest in the solar system. It has a great red spot which is gland, storm and gases. I hand over to Mohit Vishwakarma to tell about explain Saturn.
Saturn, the sixth planet famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. I hand over to Hans Moser.
Uranus, the seventh planet in solar system. This color blue and unique tilt which makes rotate on the side. I hand over to Subhash Yadav to explain about Neptune.
This is the Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet of our solar system and farthest from the sun. It is known for its strong winds and blue color. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Newton disk made by my team. I used Ankush and Piyush, and our main goal is to prove that the white light consists of 7 rainbow colors. And I show you. We made it from about DC motor.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ankush Yadav. I explain about DC motor. There was the motor is covered by tape. DC motor is used to demonstrate that while machines are to explain about switch.
Good morning everyone, my name is Piyush. This is a switch. The switch connects or breaks the circuit turning the.
We use 9-volt battery to spin the disc at a high speed. We fix it under the cardboard. It is enough for human eyes to perceive the 7 colors blending into white.